pushing, come on. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's go, come on. Keep pushing, come on. Keep going, keep going. That was good for sure! Check out! That's good. Put it back.
Mark Bush and Command Sergeant Major Joshua Peterson, the command team of the 173rd Infantry Brigade Combat Team Airborne. We welcome you to today's E2B award ceremony. We extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, Command Sergeant Major Christopher Molinax, Command Sergeant Major Chad Harness, Mrs. Harness, and other distinguished guests. Please rise for the invocation by Chaplain Dale Dumont. Following weeks of preparation, training, testing, we recognize 270 of the 953 candidates who started E2B. These volunteers must be of the highest caliber and qualified expert on the individual weapons prior to testing. They were tested over a 5-day period on 35 tasks consisting of a physical assessment, day and night land navigation using a map and compass to move over 7 kilometers, 30 individual stations of warrior tasks in the areas of medical, patrol, and weapons, a 12-mile foot march in combat uniform and equipment in under 3 hours, and successfully operate a weapon at the end of the foot march to show they can fight after difficult movement. Ladies and gentlemen, this event would not be possible without the tireless effort of the 195 cadre members who have dedicated the last several months to plan, resource, train, and prepare. Individuals are being awarded the Army Commendation Medal for their tireless effort. Please remain seated as the orders are posted and hold all applause until the end. Attention orders. The Army Commendation Medal is being presented for their exceptional performance.
Howdy. Mark, I'm ready to Holy shit. That's rock.
Excuse me.
It's not gonna be fun. You got someone picture you need one. Soul motivator, never have to do it again.
Don Terrell. Nederlandse, Belgische en Britse dubbelzakspelers van City of Avon, Pipes and Drums, Electric Avon en dit jaar is de vereniging weer.
Those who wait for the Lord will renew their strength and they shall mount up with wings like eagles.
Naar het opmarcheren van de mast, pipes en drums onder de supervisie.
Because of the imagery of the eagle. Synonymous.
I'd like to thank you for your presence and respect during this ceremony. We will now watch the marching off.